What is up, guys? It's me, and I'm back playing Granny Chapter 2 this time. But this time, if Granny's... If we usually play Granny, let's see what I can do with Grandpa. Okay, I'm gonna do easy mode, because yet again, I'm not the best with these kind of things. Okay. What's good is that he can't hear anything, but what is not good is that he's fast, and he is, and he hits very hard. I'm gonna make sure my brightness is up. Alright, okay, so just spawned in. Okay. Can I, please tell me, okay, good, he's not watching that camera, anything. No, nothing usually spawns in here, but you never know. Bro, the controls on this game are so bad, bro, I cannot move my screen that well. I really should try PC mode, because that's probably PC version, because that's probably the better version, because it probably has easier controls, but, you know, can't do that, so might as well just really hope he's not up here. Ooh, he's right there. I'm gonna actually crouch down. You don't see me, Grandpa. You don't see me, you're upstairs. Are you gonna go jam out to Granny's house again? Duct tape. It's for the helicopter blade if we'll even get there. Oh, no. Okay. Boop. 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 Nothing. Okay, anything in here? Helicopter key. Okay, we might be leaning towards a helicopter escape today. Okay, let's grab this just in case I need to run in there quick. Boat key. No, never mind. Spider baby. What do you have, Spider? Oh, a piece of the picture. Is the taser gun in here? No, it's not. I'm mad. We're not gonna be able to do this. Yes, we are, but okay. Nothing. There's usually, nothing in there. Like usual. Just never anything in there, bro. There never is. Like, literally, I think every time I played Granny Chapter 2, there has never been anything in there. I see something shiny. Oh, that's the meat. Go. Wait a minute. He can't hear. He can't hear, but the thing is, you never know where he is. So that's why I want to be really careful. Bro, I hate the controls of this. Helicopter manual. You can now control a helicopter. Anything. Oh, there's a wrench, but that's for the boat. Wait, is it for the boat? I forgot where that's from. Oh wait, no, I know what I need that for. Okay. Okay. No, bruh. Can't move. A piece of a picture. Weapon key? Padlock key. That's still good, though. Can I move that out of the... You know what? Screw it. I'm going. I don't even care anymore. Yep. I'm gonna say some words. That if I actually do say, I'll probably get demonetized, so probably not gonna say it, but oops, done. But yet again, Grandpa can't hear. Okay. Gonna plop downstairs, see where he... Dude, he's sleeping. I shot him thinking he would not be sleeping, but... I mean, that's actually really good, though. I'm gonna grab that key. Grab the stun gun back. And I'm gonna be a jerk. Spider baby. I'm out here. Actually, no, I don't want to tase you yet. Alright. But what I do want to do is... What? How'd you already wake up? Bro, this dude wakes up quick. Okay, apparently he probably doesn't like me sitting right next to him while I sleep. I mean, while he sleeps. That's probably understandable, I guess. Okay. It's understandable, though. I get it. Oh no, I thought that was him. Oh, bro. I've said it once and I'm gonna say it again. I hate the controls of this game. Okay, Can I... Are you taking a nap? No, he already took a nap. He doesn't need another nap. I want to stun him, though, so then I can go out and shoot the spider baby, so then the spider baby can get... I don't know. Or, actually... Grandpa reacts when the spider baby gets shot. I'm gonna drop this down here. And then go grab that wrench so I can lower the water. Then I can go see Spider Baby. Then I could shoot it. And then Grandpa will get mad so then I can shoot him. Perfect. Perfecto. In my little cubby. Nobody can come. I am too good. Come on, grab the stun. Can't. There we go. Alright. If Grandpa's just out here, bro, I swear. Alright, good. Spider Baby? Jeez, God, you're ugly, bro. I can't get over how ugly you are. Bro, I need to grab that ammo. He's gonna be red eye mad. All I did was shoot your granddaughter's son. Is there something wrong with that? Okay, yeah, that is something horribly wrong with that, actually. Never mind. Yep, there you are. Boop. Hope you're having a fun time, Grandpa. Good. Hi there, Spider Baby. How you doing? What's there? Safe key? No, actually, don't drop that there, because what if he comes back to life, and then, yeah, that's going to be a whole thing. Boop. Grab that safe key. Might as well, while I'm at it, grab the picture piece, just in case. Alright, it's down here. Yeah, the safe's down here. Forgot. Bruh. Boop. Gasoline can, that's for the... I know what that's for. What was that, dude? Alright, I forgot where the security key was. I think it's still upstairs. Luckily, I can knock anything down now. I'm knocking down a picture of your wife, loser. No, I don't want to grab that crowbar just yet. Does he? No. He sometimes leaves it unlocked, so I tried, but nope. Alright. Okay, so I need to find that security key. Is that down? Yeah, it is down here. Scared that it's been 2 minutes already. So I'm really trying to make sure that... Okay. Plop that. Plop that. Door handle. Screen recording. Okay, thanks a lot. I don't need that. Okay. Go. Drop that in there. Anything. Hand wheel. I forgot what that's for. Weapon key? No. Weapon key? No. Weapon key? Yes! Bruh. Let me celebrate. Yes! Alright, guys. I think I... Oh, wait, that's the... Poop. Alright, guys. He is up by now. I can probably guess him by, like... Yep, bet you $1,000 he's up, and there he is. Alright, I gotta turn this way then, but he's so slow that he probably is still there. No, he's not, actually. Grandpa, I have your gun that you use in Granny Chapter 3. Don't you just hate me? I mean, he probably does. He locked me in this house. Grandpa, what do you have against me? What did I do to you? What did I ever do to you? Grandpa. Oh, I was gonna say, is he so deaf he can't even hear me shooting a gun? Jeez, bro. That dude's half to almost completely deaf. I think he is completely deaf, actually. But I need the stun gun up in the security room with me, so... Yeah. Spider Baby's still down. No, Grandpa. Don't we all just love Grandpa? Everybody's like, no! Alright, drop that there, yep. Now I need to grab that gun, because that's gonna be needed. Okay. Alright, so the padlock key is used for... I'm trying to remember what the padlock key is used for so I can... Hand grenades, those are actually really nice. Full shotgun. And, oh yeah, that's the door handle. Might as well just start bringing up pieces of the picture if I can even remember where they all are. No, I don't even think I found the third one yet. Bruh. Don't think I found the third one yet. Go. Alright. Right. Boop. 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 I'm paranoid that he's up, so I gotta grab the gun. Oh yeah, that's the padlock key. Okay. Crowbar's in here, but I'm not gonna grab that quite yet. What I am gonna do is FBI open up! Boom! I don't know why I did that. That was a waste of ammo. Oh, God, I'm so stupid. That was a total waste of ammo. Shouldn't have done that. That was a total waste of ammo. Okay. Where's Grandpa? He's got to be up by now. Is there? Yes, there is. Full shotgun again. Anything? Nothing. Is he in the basement? I swear if he is. Is he? No, he might not be, actually. Alright, good. Good. Is he down here, though? No. Oh, yeah, that was me that left the door open. Grandpa, I think that's... Yeah. Forgot his name for a second. Grandpa. Or as you like to say, Granny. Oh, I almost missed that. Ooh, breathe. I'm actually so thankful I did not miss that, because that would have been so bad if I missed. You know what? Screw it. I'll bring the table with me. Come on, table. I'm bringing you with me. Oh, wait. There's a piece of a picture. Is there a piece of a picture in here? Because sometimes there is, but I can't remember if there is or not. Well, there might be one behind the... Nope. Alright. I need one other piece of the picture. Then I can open that thingy so if I can shoot with guns and I can get... Yeah, anyways. I need a whole bunch of stuff with these. I can do a whole bunch of stuff if I find 3 pieces of a picture. Nothing. I forgot if I have looked in here, but I forgot what there's. Oh yeah, duct tape. So we might be doing a helicopter because I can already control it. I have the key. I have the key for it. Okay, I think I know what to do. No. Why does it always happen to me? Alright. I'm gonna put him right there. Drop that down here. Drop down here, actually. Gonna go grab that crowbar because I feel like there might be a piece of a picture in one of the bins. How far away can I grab it? Okay, I have to ooh, I'm scared if he's up. I really don't know. I hope not. Is that... Yes, that's a picture in the bed. Okay, cutting pliers, that's actually... I need this, 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 I need it. Go, 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 go. Okay, guys, this is really good. This is really, really good. Really, really, really good. Okay. I didn't really mean to drop down there without grabbing the stun gun. Might as well bring the lamp with me. I guess that works. Oh, I thought I saw him walking out the bedroom. I was so scared for a second. Alright, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Alright. I have to do it. I don't know why. Just makes me feel powerful. Alright. So it goes like... Okay, I want to shoot it low. Then it waves. Oh, no. Why did I do that? Shotgun is loaded, okay. Yes! Yeah! Bro. Can't grab that ammo. Why can't I grab the ammo? There it is. Bro's listening to Granny's house again. I missed again. Bro. I keep missing, bro. I'm so bad at this. I don't have unlimited ammo anymore. So there is that little hole in the floor that I can do that with. Does it say what I need? I know I need the glass flute. Yeah, I need a glass fuse. Okay, so it does say what I need. Dude, he's actually in the security room, bro. Bro didn't know what hit him. Literally. I grabbed these chain cutters just to see what the... Oh, Granny. Oh, Grandpa, how are you doing? Are you taking a nap? Wait, I want to see if it'll show the red light when cameras are on. Sorry, guys, I have to test this out. I don't know why I have to do this, but I do. Yep, it does. Okay, anyways. Waste a lot of time, but I'm okay, because I'm up here. Okay, so I need to find what this guy has. Go. Exactly what these are meant for. Chains. Whee! Boat steering wheel, so we might actually do the boat. Bro, I have a really quick question. Why is Slendrina's husband dead? Yo, Nasfrutas, you okay in there? Nope, he's not. He literally just disappeared. Guess he doesn't like the look of my face, but yet again, who does? I mean, my girlfriend does, but that's not the point. Glass use? Yes! Alright, that's actually really awesome. Alright, plop that glass fuse right there. Boop. Walk across. Helicopter. Cannot start the helicopter yet, but oh my Jesus. Okay, I have that. What's in there? That hand wheel. I forgot where that shotgun is. I forgot where I dropped it. I'm gonna use that stun gun just in case. Alright guys, so I think we might have everything to escape with the helicopter. Let me think. Wait a minute. Yeah, we do. We have everything. If I can just gather everything up, we have it all. And I can control a helicopter, but we're golden. We're gonna escape. I think. I hope. If I can find wherever the heck Grandpa is. I don't... Yeah, he's up. He's gotta be up by now. There's no way he's not. There's no way in the world he's not up. Okay. Grandpa, are you in here? Where are you? Oh, that was just a door. Oh, there you are. Yeah, Sure, go, kill yourself. Gasoline can. Hi there, buddy. Don't know why I'm calling this dude buddy. Alright, so yeah, the gasoline we need. The duct tape and the helicopter key. Alright, get the fuel. Put that in there. It takes so long to fill, bro. Oh. Do you need to fill it up all the way? I think you do. Oh, wait, did I? I want to make sure I filled it all the way up. Yeah, I did. Alright. Okay. I remember where the duct tape is, and I also remember where the key is. I don't know why I knocked that over. Duct tape is in here. And the key, is that upstairs? Never mind, I don't remember, I forgot. Poop. Alright, let's go up here then. Gotta remember where that dang helicopter key is. Fix the blade. Boop. Alright, we are good. We just need the key now. I need to find that gun, dude. Because if he's already up, bro, I need to find that gun. Gonna check. Okay. Gotta think and remember where that helicopter key is. I feel like it's downstairs. So I'm gonna actually do that. Because I think we might... No, I think we might not have time anymore. We might be out of time, but... Wait, never mind. I remember where it is. It's in here. Oh, yep, Grandpa's watching the camera. Does he know that? Yeah, I know you do. I see you too. I see you too. I see you too, buddy. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. I want to live. I want to live. I want to live. Grandpa, please. Oh. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Guys, you don't know how scared I am right now. Oh my god, I need that stun gun. Where's the gun? I dropped the gun, but I see the ammo. I just need the gun. Did I? No, it. I mean, sometimes it does. Sometimes it does go through the floors and pop up in random places, but. Dude, where's that stun gun? Where did I put it? Grandpa's literally upstairs. Is he?
There you are.
Yep. He was in the security room. What in the world? There we go. We. Okay, you came here to watch me play Granny, not to play an ad. Day freaking 3. I hate my life. Why do I do this to myself? Why do I do this to myself? Why do I do it? Why do I do it? All. Ooh. Excuse me. Alrighty then. I swear to the Lord, if he is up here, I'm going to scream. Yep, he is. He's watching the camera. Oh, you can hide under there. Where's the gun? Oh, I really need that gun. Oh, say, can you get the gun, please? I really need that gun, please. I forgot where it is, though. I'm gonna hide under this bed because I'm scared. But now I'm gonna come out because I feel like there might be something in here. Something shining. Oh, that's a crowbar, dude. I don't freaking want that. Okay. I just gotta remember where this stupid gun is. Right, the spider baby's already back up. What do I mean already? He's been down for a while, so. Dude, where's that gun? Bro, I need that gun so bad. Oh yeah, he's watching this camera. That's nice. Yeah, he probably sees me. What, I need the stun gun. No, I know that, but where is the stun gun? If you tell me where the stun gun is, maybe I'll be able to kill Grandpa. Okay, I know what I need to do then. I need to... Wait a minute, I forgot. Oh wait, no, I know what I need to do. I think I remember where that gun is. Oh, yep, he's... patrolling, bro. Yep, nope. Go. Did I unlock it? I don't even think I unlocked it. I don't even want to try it. Oh, he's right there. He saw me. Go. Helicopter key. Please go. Please, God, please. Yes. Wait a minute. I actually don't know. I want to see if I dropped the gun somewhere, because if I did, I want to give Grandpa one last goodbye shot. No, well, I don't know where it is. I forgot. But I think that's everything, isn't it? Dude, yes, yes, no, yes, yes, finally! I'm going. I'm gone. I'm gone! I escaped! Oh, hi there, Grandpa. How'd you get up here? And didn't I... Oh, no, never mind. I didn't shoot you, but still. Peace! Yes! Finally! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. But if you want to see me play any more Granny, hit that like button and that subscribe button, and make sure to turn on those notifications so you get notified anytime I post a video. But anyways, that's gonna be it. Peace out, guys.